Buenas tardes, raza. Espero que su día vaya yendo bien bonito. Hi, everybody. I hope your day's going really good and smooth. It is the 24th of July. Es el 24 de julio del 2024. Y quiero decirles que hubo un earthquake en Snyder, Texas. En Texas es difícil que haya earthquakes, so no sabemos qué es lo que está pasando en las plates, pero hubo un earthquake de 4 punto algo en Snyder, Texas hoy. Así es de que si tu terreno no está temblando, no estás en Snyder, Texas. Nosotros estamos en el sur de Texas y oyendo las noticias. So that's what's going on today. There was an earthquake in Snyder, Texas. If you're not somewhere where the earth is shaking, you're not in Snyder. But it's rare when we get earthquakes in Texas. So something's going on with the plates. And it was a small one, thank God. Let's pray that everybody's okay and that there wasn't too much damage to property. It was 4 point something in the Richter scale, so I've seen some that have done a lot of damage in Mexico City and stuff, but they've been like 7s. So this was a small one compared to those type of earthquakes, but it is rare when Texas gets earthquakes. But such is life. You never know what's going to happen from 1 minute to the next. So it's like, this phone gets like some dots on it. I don't know why. I think it's the light in the back. But that's what I was like. That's so weird. You know, we went to Harlingen and we came back because somebody that we know passed away. So Marty's going to do a wreath and we're talking about that. And then we're talking about earthquakes and stuff, and it's like weird, the things that happen in nature. But there's no control. We can't control those type of things. It's just something that's gonna happen if it's gonna happen. Just like we have scattered showers, and we've had them for the last 3 or 4 days, and it's like downpouring in certain areas as we were coming down from Harlingen back to our town. And it's like, man, these scattered showers really mess it up, because you get a scattered shower and then it feels like the whole area is evaporating because of the heat level that we're having here in Texas right now. It's in the high 80s and mid 90s in certain areas. So it's hot. And then you get water and it feels like you're in the middle of a sauna. You know, like it's all hot everywhere. It's not just dry heat. It's just sticky heat. But disfruten el resto de su día, gentes. Y pues nosotros no podemos controlar las cosas de Dios, pero sí podemos orar por esas gentes y decirles, hey, estamos con ustedes en oración. Si algo les pasó, pues, we're praying for you. Es todo lo que podemos hacer. No estamos cerquita de ese lugar en Texas, so I'm so sorry that that's going on over there. But it is some rare phenomena that happens. And we just are glad that it was a small 4 point something in the Richter scale, and it wasn't any bigger than that. So y'all have a nice day.